Hi everybody, this is your math teacher Yunus Damar. In this video lesson, I am going to solve different question types in second section. Second section is on page 10. That is 1.2 let's remember addition. Now let's look at the third question of this page. So there are two numbers to add. First 86, then 71. First we have a rule to add the numbers. We will start from the ones digit. So now let's start. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. I am writing the answer in the same digits. Then we are in the tens digit. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Your answer is 157. Now let's look at another question of this page. This is the different types. So again we have a rule. We will start to add the numbers from the ones digit. Now 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So I am writing 12 on the right side of the question. So I cannot write here 12 because 12 is two digit numbers. First I am writing here, then ones digit will come down. So tens digit will go to the next digit to add. So now we are in the tens digit. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. I am writing the answer. Then let's read it as that 102. Okay, now let's continue. We are in the page 11. There are exercise. I guess two exercises we have in this page. Okay, let's start from the first one. For the first question, first number is 713, second 9, then 75. First we know the rules, so we will start from the ones digit. Okay, let's start. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. So I cannot write 17 downside. So because 17 is two-digit number, because of that I will write 17 on the right side of the question. Then I will bring 2 down. So I will send 1 to the tens digit. So now let's continue to add the numbers from the tens digit. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. I am writing 9 in tens digit. So we have a number in hundreds digit in the question. 7. I will bring 7 down. So your answer is 792. So okay, let's look at another types of question. So there is 85 and 473, then 250. So this is the first number is two digit. Next and the later three digit numbers to add. Okay, let's start from the ones digit to add. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 0, again 8. So I can write 8 in the I can write 8 in the down side. So because 8 is ones digit number. Now we are in the tens digit to add. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. I cannot write here 20 because 20 is two digit numbers. I am writing 20 on the right side of the question. Then I will bring 0 downside, so I will send 2 to the other side in hundreds digits. Now let's continue. We are in the hundreds digits to add the numbers. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So your answer is 808. Okay, now let's look at the on page 11 another types of question. First let's read the question. Rewrite down as a vertical problem, then add. So there is a new word, there is a keyword for you, rewrite. What's rewrite? So there is a special things from your teacher. If there is a re in front of your words, it means again. So I will write again the question as a vertical problem. So what's vertical? So when you write your question from up to down, this is a vertical form. So if you want to write your question from left to right, it shows you horizontal form. Now let's continue to the first question. 69 adds 456 and 90 and 5. There are four numbers to add the numbers. Okay, let's write first 69. Second, when I write the second number, don't forget we have a rule. Ones digit must come to under the other. Tens digit must come to under the other. Then hundreds digits must come to under the other. So then now let's look at what's the ones digit of first number 9. So ones digit of the second number 6, ones digit of the third number 0, and ones digit of the fourth number is 5. Now we will write this number under the other 69. So I am writing here 456, then 90. The last one is 5. So now we can add the numbers. Okay, let's continue to add the numbers from the ones digit. So I mean from here, let's continue. 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 0, 15, then plus 5, 20. I cannot write here 20 because 20 is 2-digit numbers. So but just I can write here just 1-digit number. I am writing 20 on the right side of the question, then I will bring 0 down. I will send 2 to the other side, it must be here. Then let's add to continue. 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 9 is equal to 22. So can I write here 22? No. So because 22 is a 2-digit numbers, so what should I do? I need to write here 22 on the right side of the question. Then I will bring again to downside. So I will send this 2 to the next digit to add. So now let's add the numbers from the hundreds digits. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So your answer is 620. So that's easy, right? You can do other questions like my types. Let's continue. We have the page 12. So we have word problem in page 12. Okay, let's continue to read the first question. There are 760 green and 254 yellow pears. You know pears, right? So it's a fruit that you eat at the greengrocer. How many in all? There is a special words here. What's special words? In all. So when I teach you addition, if you remember, I talk about keywords of the addition. Some words reminds you addition operation, right? So when I read the in all, maybe it reminds you addition. So we have 2 numbers, then what should I do? I need to add them. First 760, another number 254, don't forget. So this is the ones digit, this is the ones digit. So this is the tens digit, this is the tens digit, then 7 is the hundreds, 2 is the hundreds digit. I will write same digits to under the other. I am writing here 254. Now let's add them. So that's easy, right? I will start to add from the ones digit. I mean from here. 0 plus 4, 4. 6 plus 5, 11. So should I write here 11? No. I need to write 11 on right side of the question. Then I will bring 1 down. The other one will go to the next digit. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. I am writing here. So you know we have a rule. You have learned from the last year, I remember. So after 3 digits from right to left, we put comma to read the number easily. 1014. This is your answer. Okay, now let's look at the second question of word problems. Ahmed walked 325 meters and arrived at Mahmoud's house. Then he walked 248 meters to school. How far did Ahmed walk in total? Another word keywords we have in this question, in total. Total shows you reminds you addition, right? Of course. So what should I do? First, I will write the first number 325. Then I am writing here 248. Then let's add them. So easy, because we will start from the ones digit to add. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Then 3 will come down. 1 go to the next digit to add. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Then now we are in the hundreds digits to add. Let's add the number. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So your answer is 573. Let's continue. So let's look at the third question. A bowler scored 201, 103, then 215. There are 3 numbers. What should I do? In 3 games, what was the total score for those games? So is there any special or keywords that reminds you any operation? Yes, of course. So what is this keyword? What is the keyword? Total. What should I do? Of course, I will add the numbers. I am writing the numbers in an order. 201, 153, then 215. Now let's add. Okay, I will start again from the ones digit to add. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. Okay, let's continue. Now we are in the tens digit. 0 plus 5 plus 1, 6. Then let's continue to add numbers from the hundreds digits. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Your answer is 569 is the total score for those games. Okay, let's continue. Question 4. Find the number that is 567 more than 232. So if you forgot it, please check my channel to understand, to learn more what was the addition. If there is a more than, shows you addition. What should I do? Of course, let's add them. 567 plus 232. Then let's add them. So I will start from the ones digit to add the number. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. Then 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So this number is 799. Okay, let's look at the last question of keywords. A bus driver drove 68 kilometers on Tuesday, 114 kilometers on Thursday, and 79 kilometers on Friday. What was the kilometer for those three days? So for those, what was the kilometer? So the question says you, what was the kilometer? All kilometers, right? All. There is a word all. This is the keywords of addition. So let's add the number and let's get the result. Let's write it. 68 plus 114 plus 79. Okay, let's add them. So as you can see, so 4, 8 and 9 they're in the ones digit, so ones place. 6, 1, 7 is in the tens digit. So then just you have 1 in the hundreds digit. So now let's continue to add the numbers. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. I cannot write here 21 because 21 is 2-digit number. So first I should write right side of the question. Okay, 1 will go down to the ones digit, then I will send 2 to the tens digit. So I mean next digit. 2 plus 6, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. I cannot write here 16 because 16 is 2-digit numbers. Again, I need to write right side of the question. So what should I do? I write 6 in the tens digit, then I send 1 to the next digit. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So your answer is 261 kilometers. So that's enough to say about addition, answers of the 1.2. Let's remember addition. That's enough. Okay, see you next lesson. Next lesson will be about answers of the 1.3. Let's remember subtraction.